Man, it's your boy Savage Quando, man, and today, man, I hope you guys are having a great day, man. But today, your boy, it's kind of doing a little bad, man. I just found out some bad news. I know I'm looking a little rough right now, but I am quarantined now for 14 days, man. My grandma ended up contracting the virus, and yeah, so now I'm out of work and everything for 14 days, and I decided, man, to get my mind off of that and react to something a little funny, you know what I'm saying? So today we are gonna be reacting to the neighbors that make noise complaints, man. I know you guys got neighbors out there that be making them complaints saying, oh, you making too much noise, you doing that, nah. They having parties and they'll be another like 5 of y'all in there, and y'all just watching them a movie or something. But anyway, man, let's get right into the mother effing video.
Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle.
Yo, I can't even believe I just started this video without giving my boy Lennar a shout out, man. He's a hilarious person, man. So as why I chose this video, hopefully, which it already looks like it's working, but heighten up my spirits, man. Let's get back into it.
What's up? It's your neighbor from downstairs. I don't mean to bother you, but can you please turn your music down just a little bit? You know, I don't mean to disturb your fun, but I just got work tomorrow morning. I don't mean to bother you or nothing like that. No problem. I'm about to turn my music off anyway. Okay. I was seeing if it was okay with you. I'm sorry. I don't, you can. I don't want to stop you from listening to your music. No, it's all good. You don't even gotta explain yourself. It's getting towards that time, and I understand. Okay. Yeah. Have a nice day. Thank you for being so kind about it. Have a nice day too.
Yo, that's exactly how it starts, man. Like, you just chilling and, doing your thing, and the neighbor come acting like it's a problem, like you got a problem with it. You just chilling. You like, yeah, shoot, it's about 10 p.m. anyway. I might as well stop, listen to music, settle down a little bit. But you got neighbors like that. It's just, come to start stuff before it even, it don't even have to go that bad. They just start doing stuff. I don't know what I'm talking about, but yeah. Nah.
Who's that? So what's up? Again. Hello. I don't mean to bother you again, but is there like a party or any type of dancing going on upstairs? Because I keep hearing like a crazy knock coming from my ceiling. Oh no. That was my table. Like, I moved it a little bit. Sorry to disturb you again. These floors are just very hollow. You can just hear everything. I can hear stuff on the wall. So, my bad. Just be mindful when you move stuff around, because it's like really loud to the people downstairs. It's all good.
Nah, man. I ain't never had no neighbors stand to me, so I don't know. But, nah, man. Oh, hell
no. I'll rub my hands together. How did you hear that? Floors are really hollow?
Nah, it's getting somewhere. So he just opened, bro, his door.
Hey, what the hell is you doing? Okay, you caught me. I am purposely trying to ruin your life. Okay?
Okay.
That's what I'm up here to do. Oh, hey, what you doing? Hey, come on, hey, what?
Yeah.
We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Ah, dang, all right. Listen, play. Okay. Okay, man. Those my nuts, man, my nuts. Hey, my nuts. Hey.
Yeah, I gotta take a doodle.
Hey.
I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle. I gotta take a doodle. Yeah, I gotta take a doodle.
Anyway, yo, that's the boy Lil Nar. You already know what it is, man. If you guys like the video, hold up, what is it doing? Oh,
We all hear the stories in the news. The good guy uses a gun to protect his
man. Okay, thank you. Cancel. Boom. Yeah. All right, man. If you guys like the video, man, go ahead and hit that like button, man. Comment what you want to see next, man. And if you're not subscribed, man, I don't know what y'all doing, bro. I'm about to try and post out reaction videos every day, you know, since I'm quarantined or whatever. So, yeah, a lot of reaction videos gonna come out. So, that being said, man, subscribe, you know, hit that notification bell, so you can be notified when I post my next video, man. I'm probably finna react to something else, maybe put the contacts in, and, you know, look a little decent in the next video. But yeah, man, with that being said, yo, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.